Hi, Sushil here. When you're working in Tally, you should know this some important options which I will be showing you now actually. My first option is actually to create a duplicate entry. For that, if I come over here, display more reports, and if I come here, daybook, so it gives me the full entries that I've done for the entire month ka. Now the first thing I want to like to show you is to create a duplicate entry. If I say that I want to make a duplicate entry of this electric charges, so you just keep a cell pointer here, say this, move up like this, up down like this. You can press a space bar, so that gets highlighted actually. And then you can press this button of yours called as Alt and number 2 from your keyboard. So when you press Alt and number 2 from your keyboard, it will tell you that this is the entry, duplicate, Union Bank, enter. Electric charges. I just want to change the amount. This is different amount I want to change. I'm just typing here 500. Enter, 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 and save it. Yes. So you can see that duplicate entries come here. See, 500 rupees. So this is how you can create a duplicate entry. The same entry, I don't have to do it again. I just have to make a copy of it. My next one is if I would like to create a new entry. One new entry I would like to enter. For that, again, wherever you want to do that entry, just keep it there first. For example, I am just keeping it over here in water charges. Spacebar, it will get highlighted. And then you can press this button of yours called as Alt I. So when you press Alt I from a keyboard, see, it's asking me to enter a new entry. So in that I'll just say cash here, electric charges I'm saying. So I'm just typing some amount here, 600, enter, 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 yes. So if you see that entries come here, see, middle, it will not come down here like this. So now this entry of yours that I've done is come in the middle of this. After 2000 that amount has come, 600. And if you press again, if I keep my cell pointer here again, and wherever you want that, space bar, and if I press Alt A, then again I write here cash, electric charges, type the amount, enter, enter, yes. So this will come in the middle of this, see, 2700 ki beech mein. So this is how you can do this entry, this option, Alt A and Alt I. My next option is actually now if I want to transfer entire my purchase ka entry or sales ka entry in Excel, and I would like to create as a pivot table. So like I think everybody knows what is pivot table. It's like a report. So for that what you must do, just come here first, display more reports, account books, you can take anything, sales or purchase. I'll go for purchase. If I say purchase, enter. So this is all my purchase ka entries I've done. So once you have opened this screen like this, you have to press this button of yours called as Alt E, or you can click on this icon, E, export, and the first option you select, current, enter. After that you click on configure and come down here like this, file format, see that it is in Excel format, enter, Excel spreadsheet, enter, and then over here there's an option called as file format. So just type here PIV. So when I type this first three alphabets PIV, you can see that I'm getting this option, export and import. It's no at the moment. You have to make it yes by pressing enter. So when you press enter, it gets yes comes. Change the folder because it's not in this folder, it's in Tally folder. I would like to put it in my folder. Just come to that option called as folder path and enter. Come here, select from drive, E drive. My folder is Sushil Tally, enter, enter, and then escape from my keyboard and click on this option called as export. So when you click on export, this entire Tally, that purchase ka entry what you done, everything is getting coming in, converted and coming in Excel, and then I will create a pivot table of this report. So now this is my Excel ka entire data has come here from Tally to Excel. Now I would like to make a pivot table of this, like a report. Click inside anyway, the table. Click on insert. Click on pivot table. Table from table range. New worksheet. I want a new page. If you want it over here, you can take it new here also. Existing and click. I will go for new worksheet. Okay. So it gives a screen like this. Now here I want the party name is there, no? That you can push it in party name is there, that you can put it in rows by just clicking and dragging. So you get all your party names over here. Then after party names, I would like to put is my amount. Amount you can put it in values. So you get the list like this. So you can see that I'm getting the all my party names and with the amount. After that you can make a graph also. Just click inside here. Click on insert option and come here. Chart option is charts. Column graph I'll go for, and clustered I want normal graph, and I'll say okay. So you get a graph also along with this pivot table. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you like this video, give a like and subscribe to my channel also. Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.